Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how to do APK method in a 25 update. Um, yeah, this will be a tut of everything that you'll need to know. But yeah, let's get on with the video. Basically, first you want to create your PlayFab in Photon. You want to make sure you have a 5-digit PlayFab, and you want to have this ready. Your Photon. Then you want to just close. You want to have UAVia, MetaQuest Developer Hub, and APK Easy Tool. But yeah, so basically, first, what you want to do is you want to go to Vercel, then build and deploy. You just want to like sign in. I'll make a different video on how to do that. But you want to click Add New Project, and you want to scroll down, browse all projects, search Flask. I'm going to click on Flask Hello World and deploy. And then what you want to do is you want to just create a random auth tut tag or something, and you want to create, and then just wait for it to create. Kind of takes long. You can skip till, okay, well, never mind. You can, okay, now you want to go to continue to dashboard and repository, and then you want to go to API and then index py. Then you want to get your backend, but you can boost for all of this. Just boost the server, boost APK method world. You want to download the newest backend. I want to open it. You want to open your title. You want to get your title ID, which is in your Photon right here. You want to paste this in. And let me just delete that Y. You want to make sure it's 5 digits, by the way. You want to go to settings, secret key, show. You want to grab your secret key. I want to go to here, your secret key, then place it in here. Then your Oculus API key. And you want to go to your browser, go to here, and then you want to select a random with. You also want to make sure AppLab is 16 digits and it has data use checkup active. So let's just go to this one. You want to go to API, and then here, and copy, and you want to paste it right here. See how that's done. Then for MOTD, you can basically, you don't have to put your MOTD, but you can go to here. You can get you can download the title data, and you can get all of this. Then you can go to the backend, and then you can basically get that, then this, then it has welcome to project. Here, wait, let's just get a normal, let's just do the MOTD. So basically, put your MOTD in. As an example, you can put this on color equals red, then welcome to tut tag. Then if you want to make another line, you want to do the other backspace with the N and like that. And you want to do color equals like let's do yellow. Then like owner is lags up, or example just like that. Now that you've got that done, you want to make sure you have all of this correctly. Then you can do your check for bad name, and then you want to grab /API Photon. You want to get you want to paste this right here. Then you want to copy what I do. That's the two things all you need to do is /Photon and /TD. And with your /Photon, you want to put your backend right here, but I'll show you that in a little bit. Well, your backend should be completely working. You want to copy. You want to go Control A, Control C. Then you want to go back to your thing. You want to edit this file. Then delete and then paste. So once you have this in, your backend should be complete. Now you want to commit changes. Then you want to go to requirements.txt. You want to edit this file and add the word request, just like so. Then you want to commit changes, and then it should be done. Then after you're done with that, you should have this start building. And then it's now complete. Now you want to go to domains. This is actually really important. So basically, let's just post that right there. So basically, you want to go to here. Then you want to see how this is. You basically want to make the same amount of letters as in this one. You want to make it go like this, and then you want to change like the numbers. So let's do U and then 916. That should be good for the first one. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so you want to do a rid tag and then 1 2 3. Oh, okay. Yeah, you want to remove the hips from it. So then remove that. Then you want to save. Okay. Well, okay. So you want to, let's just do OKO. Now you've got that. Then you want to do that with every single other one. And remember to remove the hips. And let's just change. Well, that's already there. You want to use this same one for 3, and then you want to grab the next one, add domain, and get this. Remove the hips, remove that. Then you just want to change this to like that with 6 numbers. Then you can save. Then you want to go to here and copy this guy. Then add domain. Then you can change this to any 4 letters, like I'll make this 9B and save. Then you want to grab this guy right here and you want to add domain, then remove the hips and that slash right here. Then you want to change this to be like, let's just do it as 81, then 91, and then 929, which we already have that. And we already have that. Then the other one that we do need is this guy. Then add domain, remove this, the slashes. Then you want to have this has 5 different numbers, and save. So now that you've got that done, you want to grab the 4-letter one, which is right here, and you want to grab that and then post it right here /API/TD, and that's the only one that you'll need for that. Then you'll also need it again for /API/Photon to put in your Photon engine. So after that you got that, you basically want to close this out. Then you have to have all that. So then you want to download your APK. Like an example, I'm going to go to APK method world, my server. Then let's just pick out, let's do Creator Fest. So I grabbed the Creator Fest I want to download. And you can go to whenever, you can skip to whenever it's downloading, but yeah, I want to speed this up. Okay, so whenever your download downloading, you want to go to APK Easy Tool. This will also be in the Discord, that I'll link in the description. So basically, I'm gonna go to Browse, then select Creator Fest, then Decompile. Then you can skip to wherever it's done decompiling. I'll probably speed this up too. I'm not sure. Probably. I'll probably speed it up. Yeah. Also does take a little bit longer to decompile and compile because it's a bigger APK size. But yeah. Okay, so I'll show you where to put your /API/Photon. Oh, I just had my Discord not crash. Yeah, it crashed. Okay, so basically, you want to get your backend. You want to get one of these. I'd probably suggest like getting the 4-digit one. Then you want to go to here. You want to add /API/Photon. You want to copy this. You want to go to your Photon, and you want to basically go to apps, development. Then you want to select your you want to find your real time, and you want to do a custom server, put it in here, save. Then you want to find this guy right here, custom server, save. 6, I'm pretty sure I also have the right one. Like 6, yeah, I do. Okay, so basically, whenever this is done decompiling, decompile the APK directory, and then you want to go to Creator Fest, Then you want to go to assets, bin, data, and then you want to find level 0.split0. Or in a better way, you can scroll all the way down till you find the second opening. It's somewhere right somewhere over here. I think it's about right here. Yeah, right here. And then you want to grab Ubia, and you want to drag yes. Then you want to save, and you can delete level 0.split0. Then go to here, tools, scene hierarchy, and then you want to go to malicious scripts, and then legal agreements. You want to go to game object, and then edit assets. You want to set the true to false. Then you just want to do this with private UI hand raise 2. Then you want to also do this with age gate. And what this does, this basically removes like the age thing that I have to do in KID and legal agreements. And that's all you have to do. And you also want to do age gate confirmation. And we just want to set this all to false. Okay, then if you want to add long arms, you can go to player objects, player VR controller, gorilla player, then game object right here, edit asset. Then you would set this. Really recommended is 0.35, but if you want shorter, set it to like 1.25. If you want longer, 1.45. Press OK. OK. I'll say exit out and press save. Once you press save, you want to close out. Then I suggest speeding this part up, or just going to, or just skipping it, because it takes a while for global game managers to load in, unlike level 0. Yeah, just speed this part up. You also want to make sure you don't click on anything while you're opening global game managers, because it's going to like exit out and bring all your progress of opening it. Yeah, disclaimer. Oh, I'm yawning. I'm tired. But yeah. Now, as you can clearly see, it's 8:37 a.m. on the bottom right here. But yeah, this should completely work. As I've done this many times. Then if you want, I can do a tutorial on how to do 24, 23, 22, and 21 updates. It's pretty easy. But I'll show you. If you guys, if you want, you can go in the comments of what you want a tutorial on. Okay, now that is open, you want to go to View, search by name. You want to search up PlayFab shared settings. Okay, now that you have that, you want to get a folder, and I'm just gonna delete all these. And then, like APK method, UIVia, and then you want to grab PlayFab shared settings. You want to export into that folder, and you want to do that the same with PlayFab authenticator settings, Photon server settings, Photon authenticator settings, and Oculus platform settings. Now that I've got all those, you want to go to the folder, then you want to go to PlayFab shared settings. Now that that's open, you want to grab your PlayFab right here, and you want to replace it with 63FDD. Then you want to Control S or go to File and Save. And exit out. Then I'm going to go to here, and this is the important thing that you need to really follow. So you see how it has all this? You just want to paste this guy in, and you want to go to Discord. Then you want to go to APK method world. You want to go to chat, and then you can look at what I'm doing right here as I want to grab your 3-digit from right somewhere over here. I'm going to go to here, domains. Then I want to grab the 3 numbered, so which is right here. Then you want to see how this is. You're just gonna wanna do it like that. Then you want to grab the 6 number from right here, and then you're gonna paste that in, and then I'm gonna grab the 4 lettered right here, copy, paste it right here. Then you want to grab the 2 numbered, which is right here. Then you want to copy, paste. Then you want to grab the 3 number again, paste. Then you want to grab the 4 numbered, and then you want to do /API/CD. Then you want to grab the 5 lettered, which is right here. And now that I've got all these, you want to copy the first link. You want to go to here, and you want to replace it. And the reason why there's so many different links, you want to have the same size. And you want to do that with the first 3 for the first link. Oh. This one. Then you want to add a slash at the end. I don't know if I forgot to say that. Yeah, 1, 2. Then you want to find the one that would best match up with this, like that. And you want to grab this one, place it. Then you want to grab the next one right here, replace, and replace. Oh. I want to get bigger one again, replace, Okay. You want to make sure this still has 3 lines at the end, but you can go to the bottom. And you want to grab this guy, paste it right here. Okay, so you just want to make sure all this, okay, this has 3. Now what you want to do is you want to just follow what I do. Okay, you want to do that. Grab this guy. And make sure these all have slashes at the end. Like so. Then like that. Oh. Hey, don't. Actually, I'm kind of dumb. Okay, so remove all the slashes. Get these and replace. Then with this one, you want to get the longest one. Then paste. Oh, that still had that. Okay, then okay, now you want to go to IAP, and you want to replace, then kid prod, replace, and replace. You want to grab the next one, replace. Then title data, you want to grab this guy, then replace, then this one for this guy, then when you grab, I believe, this guy or this guy. Yeah, so you want to have all that. Then you want to do Control S, or you want to go to File and Save. Then you want to close. Then just delete all that. Then after you've done that one, you want to go to here on Photon server settings. You want to grab your real time and paste that in, and grab your chat app ID and paste it in this one. Then you want to go to File, Save, or Control S. After you save, you want to go to the next one, Photon Authenticator settings. You want to still grab your real time and your chat app ID. You want to put your real time in the first one and keep that $. Then you want to grab your chat app ID and put it at the bottom one and save. And now that I've got that, you want to do like let's pop. This is the biggest thing. You want to grab your 16-digit. You want to paste it in the first one. You want to go to File, Save. Wait, 1, 2, 3, and then paste it in this one. 1, 2, 3. Then you want to close, and then after you've got that, you want to go to Ubia and then import raw, import this, then go to here, Photon Authenticator settings, import yeah, you just want to import all of these back in, and you want to import, and then you want to do file, save, and close. Once you've got that, you want to go to your update, and you want to go to Android manifest. You want to grab the manifest of this, which mine would be, if you were to go to here, then go to package name, you can just copy that, and you also want to have your app lab be public, and paste, and then Control S, and then click E, and then exit, and then once you've got that, you want to go back to here, and then APK tool, and then you want to set this to 32, and you want to make this the next one up, and Alexa made this tut, or you can do another version name. So after Control S that, you're basically now done. You can go to your select Decompiling the APK, Creator Fest. You can see that it says all that. Then you can compile, go to here, paste it in your app lab right here. Then you can go to app submissions, and schedule build release, and here I'll show you what it would look like. Let me just release this app lab. You can go to schedule build release, select a build, then select a publish date on time, then you submit. But yeah, hope you like this tutorial. I will be shortening this down because it's 32 minutes right here. But yeah, hope you've made your game in 25 update, and boost the server for all of this, for a cloud script, the working backend, the DLC, and the title data. But yeah, bye bye.